Welcome back to Hair Care on a Budget. Today we're diving into the essential steps to treat overprocessed hair effectively. If your locks have lost their luster and feel brittle, don't despair. Restoration begins with understanding the solutions available to you. The first key to rejuvenating overprocessed hair is moisture. Overprocessing typically leads to dryness, making deep conditioning treatments a necessity. Look for rich and nourishing ingredients like honey and avocado, renowned for their hydration properties. You might also explore DIY hair masks crafted from raw eggs, bananas, or olive oil, or opt for store-bought masks specifically formulated for damaged hair. Aim to incorporate a deep conditioning session into your weekly routine to consistently boost hydration and strength. In addition to deep conditioning, it's crucial to limit heat styling and chemical processing. Heat can exacerbate damage, so take a break from tools like blow dryers and flat irons. Embrace the freedom of air drying whenever possible, allowing your hair to rest and recover naturally. If using heat is unavoidable, reach for a quality heat protectant spray to shield your strands from high temperatures. Moreover, your regular hair care routine plays a vital role in nurturing damaged hair. Choose sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners to avoid stripping natural oils. Try to wash your hair only 2 to 3 times a week, focusing more on conditioning. A leave-in treatment can be beneficial as it helps to close the hair cuticle, combating dryness while detangling knots. An often overlooked aspect is the power of protein treatments. These treatments can help rebuild weakened strands, offering crucial support during the recovery process. However, balance is vital. Too much protein can also lead to brittleness. Additionally, make it a habit to schedule regular trims to remove those pesky split ends, preventing further breakage and promoting healthier hair growth. Finally, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Consulting with a stylist can provide personalized recommendations for products and treatments tailored to your unique hair needs. They may suggest a regimen that combines moisture, protein, and regular maintenance for optimal results. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, healthy hair is within reach even on a budget. Subscribe for more tips, and let's make your hair shine again.